So, what do you think, Tariq, about your hostel? Our hostel.
Our hostel, it's a very old hostel.
So, and
You can consider it's an heritage of our.
after the
It's a heritage.
yeah,
It's more than 200 years old, I guess.
and
And
loudly, please.
it was built by a well-known Muslim person. He was
Or
during the British Raj,
yes.
and he built it for the Muslim students actually, so they can stay out here and they can study.
Yeah.
But now the situation is different out here. The people who stay out here are all workers. There's something government jobs, something working in the private sector. Only a few handful of them are students. So the Waqf Board committee has decided to break down this hostel and make a new hostel for the students, only for the students. But the people who are staying out here, they are protesting against it. So the thing is, there's a bit of a problem out here. They said they're going to break down this hostel and build a new one. But where will these people go who are staying out here for so many days? Some for 10 years, some for 15 years. So let's see what's happened. They came for soil testing, they did the soil testing, and it's just a matter of time when this hostel comes down and a new one comes up.
Yeah. But what do you think? It would be possible to new hostel is build up or not?
Um, Seeing the present state of the government, the CPM,
The presented is a CPM.
yeah,
So
but
it's now
and-
stealing maybe 1.5 year,
yeah,
and after 1.5 year, this government should be gone.
yeah, this government is sure to lose this time. The TMC is going to come to power now.
Yeah, yeah,
But the thing is, like, they promised us that they're going to build a new hostel,
yeah.
and this time, let's see what happens. Before they have come, they gave us the same thing, like we'll build a new hostel out here for the students, and then they'll build a new one out here. But now we can't trust these people, this committee, what they want to do. They're not sure about their own words, what they say.
But our hostels, many of students and boarders, many of boarder are not students. A few percent, a little percentage count maybe student. So what do you think? Other person or other man where they're gone?
See, the thing is, this was mainly built for the students, right?
Yeah,
So that Muslim students out there, they come, they settle down in life, they can do well in their future.
yeah,
So I think like this was, since they are made for the student, it should be for the students. People who are working, they are earning salary, they are getting salary.
yeah.
So like they should, it's time for them to like look, they go their own way, they find their own place to stay and leave this place for the students. Because it will not be only helpful to the students, it will be helpful to the to the whole community as a whole. Well,
But one more thing I want to say that the before stage the soil test again and again. Huh? Now it is the latest time. Huh? So it would be possible that this time soil test is successfully and build up and I think I mean to say that this time soil test is the last soil test.
well, this was my first time out here seeing they're doing soil test. I heard that before they did soil test, but this time I think something will happen.
Something will be happen.
Something will happen this
just
time.
like 2012.
I don't know anything about, but like I got this feeling that something will happen this time, something new, something, and there'll be some revolution out here.
Yeah,
New
yeah.
hostel.
Exactly.
And the end thing I want is like the students who stay out here, their futures, like they come out here for their bright futures.
Yeah,
and
bright
I know
future.
most of them who stay out here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like I'm not saying like okay like you all should get out from here, but the thing is like they should be responsible. Their elders out here, they should know.
Responsible as the newcomers.
Then they should know like students need this place to stay to develop their careers. They just can't occupy this place, and like they are in West Bengal, the Muslims are really backward, and so we need to do something for them. So let's see now what happens. Now with the state government change, this time changes, we hope for the best.
Yeah. Inshallah, we hope all is well.
All is well.
Yeah, just like 3 Idiots.
Okay.
And thanks for the coming here
Okay.
and a short introduction for our hostel. And we'll meet you again. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Bye.
Okay, bye.